Bio on the go! Welcome friends to another video in the series of Nobel Prize in Medicine. Did you know there were no Nobel Prizes in physiology or medicine for the years 1916, 1917, and 1918? This was primarily due to the disruptions caused by World War I, thereby creating challenges for the Nobel committees, making it difficult to assess nominations and conduct proper investigation. The Nobel statutes state that if no suitable work is found, the prize money is reserved and may be added to the foundation's funds. Well, what about the year 1919? Yes, we have a Nobel laureate in medicine for the year 1919. The recipient of the award was Jules Bordet, an immunologist and microbiologist born June 13, 1870, in Soignies, Belgium, for his work in the field of immunity. Our immune system protects us from attacks by microorganisms and poisonous substances. Bordet demonstrated how the body produces antibodies in response to specific antigens, which are substances that trigger an immune response. He identified a component of blood serum, called complement, that plays a crucial role in antibody-mediated immune responses. The blood includes factors or bodies that destroy bacteria. Through studies on cholera in 1896, Jules Bordet showed that this depends on the collaboration of two types of factors in the blood: antibodies formed by immunization against specific bacteria and complement proteins in blood. Antibodies and complement proteins are bound to one another, and Bordet's work on complement fixation has been particularly important for the diagnosis of diseases like syphilis. The bacterial genus Bordetella that causes whooping cough is named after him. He received his Nobel Prize 1 year later in 1920, as the prize was held over due to a decision by the Nobel Committee. For the year 1920, Jacques-Auguste Steinberg-Krogh, a professor of zoophysiology, born November 15, 1874, in Grena, Denmark, was awarded the Nobel Prize for discovering the mechanism of regulation of the capillaries in skeletal muscle. Krogh developed methods for precisely measuring blood oxygen levels and explained how oxygen supply to muscles is regulated based on workload. Krogh's research demonstrated that during periods of rest, only a small number of capillaries are open, while during physical activity, more capillaries open to increase oxygen supply to the muscles. Krogh was also one of the founders of what is today the Novo Nordisk company, the Danish multinational pharmaceutical company, primarily known as manufacturers of diabetes care medications and devices. With this, we wind up today's piece of information. Be prepared for the next video, as it is going to be a quiz covering the years 1911 to 1920 related to the Nobel laureates in medicine. Do stay tuned, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks!